Magick Power Course Review. The Magick Power Course is a step-by-step guide showing you how to create your own magic. The ebook was created just to explain and help people out of the problem they face because of the lack of magic. What is included in the product? The course has been divided into several modules and you will be privy to them here. Module number 1, Introduction. This is short and gives you all the details about this unique course as well as the tip and tricks to make it work. Module number 2, The Basics of Magic. This part will show some basic knowledge about magic including how magic works, the subconscious mind, explanation of basic terms, types of magic, psychic phenomena, meditational, and spirits and so much more. Module number 3, Advanced Magic. In this module, you'll be entering the realm of advanced magic and learn such things as gaining the secrets to develop your own psychic powers or improve those you already have. Module number 4, Love and Sex Magic. Here, you will learn some secret love magic and so much more including learning how to automatically mystically project sexually arousing images of influence and persuasion into other people's minds with your secret magic power. Module number 5, Secret Magic. For personal magnetism and success, you'll be able to literally shape your reality in the exact way you prefer and gain unlimited confidence to achieve your goals. Module number 6, Money and Wealth Magic. Here, you will learn how to get more money than you ever thought possible. Module number 7, Magic for Luck. Here, you will learn how to be luckier. Module number 8, Magic for Health. With this, you will be able to get better health results faster with your newly acquired magic power as long as you do what is expected of you. Module number 9, Magic for Advanced Protection. With this, keep yourself and your home safe and also get rid of the negative energy that brings you only unfortunate events with these simple and quick protection spells. Module number 10, Magic for Better Relationships. Here, you will learn how to make more friends and heal a relationship. Module number 11, Additional Magical Secrets. It will give you more access to the thing you do not know how to get. It comes with some bonuses. Now I've put a link directly in the description box below. So click the link below to visit official site. Bonus number 1, Sacred Magic of Abramelin the Mage. Bonus number 2, Transcendental Magic. Bonus number 3, The Arbitel of Magic. This is a classic and rare book of magic. Bonus number 4, The 4 Books of Occult Philosophy. One of the most sought after and scarce collection of occult books with hundreds of pages filled with real magical secrets. The benefit of using Magick Power Course. Despite the comfortability that comes with its usage, a lot of people are being drained financially by different magic teachers because they have to learn the wrong steps. However, with Magick Power Course, you can get the following benefits. Extra money for other things. Save more and have more money. Easy to use plan. Click the link below to visit official site. How cheap? How do you use it? It is a very cheap product that will not drain you of a lot of money. The author made it so because he had also experienced the problem faced by many houses and felt people should not be deprived of such an important book because of the amount the book cost. And the processes are so easy that even a man with a hand can do it perfectly. For more information, click the link below.